The pleasure of pastry is really not just eating any pastry, but figuring out what it is that you love about pastry and indulging in those things. I don't love all pastries, but the pastries that I love a lot. So I want to give people that. I would say COVID and the lockdown pandemic has had a huge, huge role in creating my business. For the longest time, I've been working in hotels, restaurants. That's just kind of been the bulk of my career. And with nowhere to go and nothing to do, I was kind of left with, well, how can I continue teaching people? Because prior to the pandemic, I was leading a team of pastry cooks in a restaurant. So I was like, how can I apply what I do in the restaurant? How can I apply to just regular people who want to learn how to bake? So the way I structure the classes, I do team building classes and I also do private classes. I kind of cater to whatever the group needs. There are some groups who require minimal equipment, some options that are gluten-free or dairy-free. And so I just kind of work within the confines of what they give me and I create a class for them. I've done trifles, galettes, macarons, tarts, pies, cakes, scones, jam, curds. Oh my gosh, just so many things. Just within the realm of pastry, I've done a whole lot. It really runs the gamut.